Hey, what's up guys? This is Barry with Workshop Hustle, and I want to show you this custom door that I just finished installing. Let's go. This build was a little different than anything else I have done. My clients are downsizing and wanted to take their current door with them for sentimental reasons. We designed the new door to fit the French architecture of the home, with the acanthus vine carving and adding glass to bring in more light into the foyer. I am using two 8/4 sapele boards for this build, and the first thing is to break them down into the different parts. I decided to use a 2.5-inch tenon on all of the joints, and then a dado stack to cut the 1/2-inch groove for the glass. Once all the mortises are cleaned out, I turn my attention to the curved parts of the door. I used a template and flush cutting router bits with bearings on the top and the bottom to finish the curve. I then finished with a 1/2-inch rabbeting bit to add the groove for the glass. I connected the two angled top pieces together with a large spline and followed the same template technique. Now it was time to draw out the design for the carving. The hardest part was visualizing how the 2D drawing would turn out when carved. I honestly had no bearing in the best way to approach this, as this was my first ever relief carving. I grabbed a rotary carver from Harbor Freight and my cut saw carving burrs and started to trim out around the outline. I didn't want the relief background to just fade into the side of the center panel, so I made 2 router bases from scrap plexiglass and wood to allow me to route a 1/8 inch deep groove to carve to. With the groove set, I then grabbed my carving chisels to hog out the waste around the carving. Then for a long time I went back and forth between the rotary carver and chisels to further define the shape. And for time's sake for this video, I decided to forego the immense amount of time I spent hand sanding, as well as filming the difficult glue up of the whole door. I used Total Boat's 2-to-1 epoxy on all of the mortise and tenons, and overfilled each joint to make sure it did not leave any weak spots. Then, after sanding everything to 320, I finished it with a hand-rubbed coat of Odie's oil. Installation day meant sanding the outer edge of the door to match the opening, as well as precisely cutting all of the hinge mortises and handle holes to line up perfectly. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you again.